Hey, let's dive right into this explainer and unlock a massive biological mystery about aging and cancer. So, meet the bowhead whale. It's an 80-ton absolute marvel that literally lives for over 2 centuries. Which brings up a huge question, right? How on earth do they survive centuries without getting deadly tumors? Well, the secret is their no-hit strategy. They're biologically hardwired to stop cancer-causing mutations from even piling up. See, our human DNA repair lets mutations slip through. But those elite whale cells, they flawlessly mend severed DNA. The engine behind this is CIRP. It's a cold-activated protein driven entirely by their freezing Arctic habitat. Get this, these whales pump out 100 times more CIRP than we do. 100 times. Incredibly, when lab scientists boosted this protein, both human cells and fruit flies became super resistant to mutations. So, researchers are actually exploring if cold plunges or future drugs can replicate this biological defense in us. Like Professor Gorbanova says, this proves we totally haven't hit our biological limit for cellular repair yet. The science is pretty clear here, so are you ready to embrace the colds to slow down aging?